beautiful friends. Today I'm going to be doing the fall FabFitFun box. So I know it's been a while since I've uploaded any videos, but I was having problems with my phone and the computer. It just wasn't acknowledging anything. So my husband, my computer whiz husband, was able to figure everything out, and I'm finally able to post the videos again. So sorry that I haven't been posting anything, but anyway, without further ado, let me show you the box. So this is the fall FabFitFun box. I hope you can see it all here. Can't see because it's so big. There wasn't a lot of stuff that I really liked this month to pick from. There's a lot of skin stuff, and I'm not a huge fan of too much skin products and stuff because I have to be careful on what I put on my face. So anyway, as usual, always comes with the magazine, and it has a little bit of information about the products inside and stuff, but there's no pricing. But I always put up the prices. I always forget if it's this side or this side. I think it's that side, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, the first thing that I ended up picking was this cute hat. I wear hats once in a while, but I just thought this was pretty cute. I don't have anything like it. It's a nice flannel hat, and it is adjustable in the back, which I like. So I thought this was cute. So I ended up getting that. It just says, let me put my other glasses on. I'm getting so blind now that I can't read anything with my regular glasses. So it just says Hocus Pocus Buffalo Check Baseball Cap. That's all it says. Hocus Pocus. So that is the first thing in this box. The other thing is a pear vegetable chopper, and it's one of those that has this thing here with the cord, and you pull it like this and it chops the vegetables. So if you go like really fast, it chops it. I can take it out and show you. And this is the second time I've done this video, because I tried doing it before and I go to put it on the computer and it wasn't acknowledging it and the whole bit. So this is the second time I'm doing this. But I like the color, and it's got a good size. And like I said, you pull on it like this and it activates the blades. You can see the blades, and that's what you do. So I'm not sure what this is, but anyway, that's that. So I hope it works good to do like onions and garlic and little things, you know. I don't expect it to do anything extravaganza, but I figure we could give it a shot and see how we like it. I like the bubble wrap. Anyway, put that back in the box. Of course, it has the instructions here. Let's put it back in the box. Put that aside. The next thing I got is this VIO personal air purifier. Figured this would be nice to put in my room because it's small, to help with the dust and filter out the bad stuff in the air and all that. So I got that. And there's a few more things in here. I've never tried anything from Living Proof, so I figured I'd try the Restore Repair Mask. Deeply nourishes and reverses damage. It's silicone-free hair mask treatment. So I figured I'd try this. I've heard nothing but good stuff about Living Proof. It's just way too expensive for my taste, but I've wanted to try it and see what it does for my hair. And I've been loving the way my hair's been coming out nice and really, really curly. I don't do anything with my hair except wash and let it air dry. And it's been coming out like really, really curly. Even my bangs. And I've been absolutely loving it. I just twist it up in the back, put a clip, put it all on the top of my head, and it's nice and curly, and I love it. Not too many people love their curls, but I love mine. Okay, the next thing here is Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. It's tone soothing and revitalize. All for all skin types. So Dr. Brandt, I do like Dr. Brandt. His stuff is pretty nice. So I got that. And there's, I don't know why they put this in here. Lumify for your eyes. I don't know why that's in there. And then the last thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And I love the packaging for this. I think it's so pretty. And there's the pretty moisturizing stuff in here. I wonder if this stuff has retinol. Because I don't know how my face does with retinol. God, even with my reading glasses, I've been having a hard time. The Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer is an oil-free daily moisturizer that protects skin with lush, juicy hydration for a lasting, lit from within, watery glow. Formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid, antioxidant-rich watermelon, and a blend of soothing botanical to prep skin for the day ahead. Wow, it's hard for me to read. I said even with my reading glasses, I'm having a hard time, and that's not good. Anyway, that's what I ended up getting in this box. Not that exciting, really. Usually I get a lot of stuff, but doesn't seem to be that much stuff in here. But anyway, that's what I got. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be talking to you really soon. So take care, God bless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, especially if you got your box, and let me know what you got. Okay? And I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. God bless. Bye.